Let's see what Zevia does to your blood sugar. I think that's how you pronounce it. I have Dr. Stevia, and it's got zero everything: 0 calories, 0 sodium, 0 carbs, 0 sugars, zero included um, added sugars, 0 protein, and it looks like it's sweetened by stevia leaf extract and natural flavors, and does have caffeine in it. All right, so I'm gonna have this. I'm not gonna just chug it. I'm gonna take about 5 minutes to drink this. I think that's normal, more normal. And a reminder, I have the Stello glucose monitor. So I am fasted as well for about 16 hours. Awesome, let's dig in. All right, guys, all done. Um, Gotta wait 2 hours, and I'll circle back and we'll go over the results. Cool. All right, so 2 hours has passed by. At the time I took it, I was at 89 milligrams per deciliter. 2 hours later, I'm at 90 milligrams per deciliter. So it only went up 1 point. And you can see it's just a flat line on my glucose levels. So this is a keeper. This did absolutely nothing. And it isn't too surprising, but there has been foods that have absolutely zero sugars, zero carbs, and have kicked up my glucose. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. I've lost over 30 pounds in 5 months just maintaining my glucose levels. I'll post a video about that later. And yeah, leave a comment if you want me to try any foods or activities where I show the results, or subscribe and tune in for results from other people's requests so you can see those. Awesome, guys. Thanks. Bye.